St Albans Abbey Station. The byway platform in St Albans Abbey Station. Looking from St Albans Abbey Station towards Watford, the line to Hatfield, Bird to the left. Looking back towards St Albans Abbey Station from where the line went off to Hatfield. Looking towards St Albans Abbey Station, the line came off there towards Hatfield. Looking now towards London Road Station, walking towards Hatfield, first station, London Road. Walking towards London Road Station. Still walking towards London Road. Albans Abbey. Looking towards London Road Station. And back towards St Albans Abbey. Looking towards London Road, the line across the road, now blocked, to walk down and cross over. Crossed over to the other side, and we're walking by the side of the path. It's all overgrown, and following the railway line by a side path. Path is densely overgrown on the original track bed. Water tower at London Road Station. A different angle of the water tower at London Road Station. Left of the platforms at London Road Station. London Road. London Road Station. bed in front of the station, severely overgrown. Standing by the side of the old water tower. Old buildings in goods yard at London Road station. General view of the goods yard. Towards Salvation Army sidings. Now I left London Road and heading towards Salvation Army sidings and Hatfield. There is the St Albans and Pancras line to Bedford. Left of the Sanders Sidings Halt. Moving towards Sanders Sidings and Salvation Army Sidings. Sanders Sidings Halt, severely overgrown. Looking towards Salvation Army Sidings and Hill End Station on the way to Hatfield. Crossing the road, the bridge now gone. Where the bridge would have crossed the road. The site of the Salvation Army siding. Now towards Hill End Station en route to Hatfield. Salvation Army sidings and St Albans. Looking from the track bed at the sidings at Salvation Army. Bridge taken away, crossing road. Stationed head at Hill End. Welham and heading towards Smallford Station. Welham. Looking towards Smallford Station. Looking towards Smallford, and houses built on half of railway line. Continuing on pathway that follows the side by the side of the old line. Of hill and platform. Mill and station. Now looking towards Smallford. Level crossing, crossed here. Old sleepers left the side of the track. Looking now towards Smallford station. Looking back towards Hilltop, towards Smallford. Smallford station. Platforms at Smallford. Smallford station. Heading towards Hatfield. Looking back towards Smallford. Hatfield. Nast Hyde Halt. Nast Hyde Halt. Nast Hyde Halt. Nast Hyde Halt. Very overgrown. Halt. Walking up onto the platform. Heading towards the Galleria shopping centre and the A1M. Heading now towards Hatfield. Area of Hatfield. Here. The noise in the background is of the A1M motorway. Looking at the side of the railway line. Now Hatfield. Small foot. The line crosses here at the A1M motorway. You cross here, go across the motorway. The way. The railway line came through here at the tennis court. And through here and crossed under the road by the side of the Galleria shopping centre. And the line went through these houses here, walking now towards Fiddlebridge Sidings and Lensford Road Halt. Walking along now, the railway line ran along here and in the path of some of the gardens. People have extended some of their gardens, and now that side of the walk. And went straight through the houses. Side of the houses, and the line crossed here, went through these factories where once stood Fiddlebridge Sidings, and now we're going to follow the line at the path from Fiddlebridge Sidings of Fiddlebridge Sidings. The main line down here. Fiddlebridge Sidings, heading towards Lensford Road Halt. Back towards now Fiddle Lane Sidings, where an industrial estate has now been built. The line crossed the road here, looking now towards Lensford Road Halt. At the top of the bridge, back towards Fiddlebridge Sidings. Looking towards the Lensford Road Halt, the last station before Hatfield. The railway line now can turn into the Alban Way walk of Lensford Road Halt. An area of Lensford Road Halt. Towards Fiddlebridge Sidings and Lensford Road Halt. Now walking towards Hatfield. The once where the original railway bridge crossed the road. And heading now towards Hatfield. and a bit now towards Hatfield. The line went through the house. Lunsford Road here. And the line went straight through the house. From the junction with the East Coast and Main Line. To the junction, connected onto the East Coast Main Line at Hatfield.